it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. We're going to go over our July 2020 BoxyCharm Premium Box. Now, I do pay for this every month myself, and this one is $50 a month, and this one has quite a few items in it. It's typically a really good value, and I like getting BoxyCharm because it's a little bit exciting to me. I like getting new products in without having to pay full price, because Lord knows I buy enough makeup as is at full price. So these are super fun. There's always a good mix of hair care, skin care, makeup, and different brands that you may have not thought about trying. So it's a really good deal for your money. Again, I pay for these myself. And the only thing I've done is taken and cut the tape so that way I can get into it. So we'll go ahead and open her up, and whenever you get it, it looks like this. As you can see, it says BoxyCharm Premium on it. And it always comes with this little card, and this month's theme is sunshine, and it tells you everything that's in here and the value of it. And typically the boxes are supposed to be over $250 in value. So the first thing that I see is the Cuticle Oil Milk and Honey Revitalizing Oil. It looks like this. It's Cutio, C-U-C-C-I-O. Let's take a look, and this is, the MSRP on it is $18. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells good. Now I know you're supposed to like massage this into your nails. I'm gonna keep this on my desk because my cuticles, y'all, are terrible, and I'm bad about remembering to moisturize them. So hopefully if I keep this on my desk, I will remember to. But this smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. I wish you could smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, next up I have the Kenya Antivarios Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. So this retails for $42. I can already tell you, I think that retail price is a little bit high just by how the packaging feels. So it had a sleeve, and then the inside looks like this. It has like a crocodile embossed look. So it's got several different blushes and highlights in here. Oh, this XOXO shade is a beautiful mauve tone blush. The Zawa, however you say that, is way too ashy, but I do really like this Gemini color. It's like a very orangey apricot blush. I really don't have a lot of apricot blush. So we'll test that out. Not that I need any more blush, I have enough, but $42 does seem like a lot. The blushes seem pigmented enough, but I mean, nothing to write home to mom about. So next up is the Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. So it's $39.99, and it looks like it is lipsticks. So, oh, so they're all red shades. So the first one is Full House. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh, I do like that formula. That's a pretty plummy red, deep red. The packaging, like the tubes, feel lightweight, so they don't feel like they're the most expensive. But I mean, $40 for 3 lipsticks is about $13, I think, each. So that's not $13.33, I think is the exact. So next one is Here to Slay. So that is a true bright red. And all of the red lipsticks I own, I think, are either like liquid lipsticks or they're fully matte. And this is not a fully matte formula. And then last but not least is Sunset Boulevard, which is more of a nude, like a pinky nude. So not bad shades. And I think you're supposed to do this kind of like how the new Jen Loves Review collab is with Morphe, or not Morphe, with Ofra, where you can kind of mix to get your perfect shade. But those aren't bad colors. Next up is the Lord & Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. And this retails for $40. So let's look at that. This is a weird. Let's see if we can get the smell. Okay, not a big fan of that smell. It kind of smells like marijuana. And not one of my favorite scents. I wish they would have put something in it to kind of, I mean, but I guess some people want that smell, but not me living in the conservative South. So that one I will probably give to someone. Next up, we have the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam palette. And I'm not gonna swatch this because this one I'm gonna give away because Morphe is really not my favorite eyeshadow formula. Now I do like Manny MUA's eyeshadow formula. I had the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette and it is lovely. I mean, this isn't a bad palette. It's just very basic and there ain't no point in me holding on to it because I'll never use it. As I said before, especially when it comes to neutral palettes, I have some very expensive neutral palettes that I really love. I'm not going to sit there and use something that isn't up to par with it just to have another neutral palette. And last but not least is the Ciate London Everyday Vacate Coconut Setting Spray. Now this actually makes me excited because y'all may or may not know, if you remember me talking, I'm not the biggest fan of coconut as far as flavor goes, but I do love the way coconut smells. So hopefully this does smell like coconut. Oh, the bottle's pretty. It does smell like coconut. And I like the mist. This I'm excited about. And this MSRP is for $22. So all in all, pretty good box. I'm gonna definitely be giving away the Morphe and the Lord & Jones. Nadia will like that. But I'm excited about the cuticle oil and the 3 matte lipsticks or regular lipsticks and the Ciate setting spray. So I'm excited to play with that. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all on Wednesday. Bye.